This right here is a free backtesting software for synthetic indices, whereby you can just go ahead and click the bar replay button over here, and you can see the trade starts moving. And if you want to increase the speed, you can just come here and do exactly that. So let's see how this is going to move. You can see how fast it is moving just because I increase the speed. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get access to this and how to use it. For your information, this is Volatility 25 index that I am doing this on currently. So let's go to the other parts of the video where I show you exactly what we are going to cover in this video. So in this video, we are going to look basically at the backtesting software for synthetic indices. And in this video, these are the things that we are going to cover up in the video. So first, you're going to look at how the bar replay actually works on the synthetic indices. And after that, we get to know the name of the software, and then we get to know how to get that particular software. And after that, we are going to have a look at the medium or the device on which this particular software works on, and we're going to have a look at the live demonstration of how to use the software. And after that, we have a look at any other important information that I have to share with you. So having said that, let's go back into the video. All right, so over here, this was what I was playing earlier, Volatility 25 index. I was playing it to show to you how it is done and how the speed also works, right? So if you have access to this, trust me, you are free to backtest your synthetic indices strategies for free and have an upper hand on whatever you are trading as a strategy, right? So let's go and look at how to get this and how to use it, right? So the name of the software is Deriv cTrader. Deriv cTrader. Now, to have access to this, you first of all need to have an account with Deriv, and by having an account with Deriv, they're going to allow you to have access to this cTrader platform. So I'm going to leave a link in the video description whereby you can go ahead and sign up, then have access to this particular cTrader, right? So look out for the link in the video description. And after that, when you get a software, this actually doesn't work on mobile devices, all right? It only works on computer. So the bar replay works only on computer. Now, having established that how to get the software, the name of the software is cTrader, how to get it, you use the link in the video description to get a software. Once you get it, then you just launch to this particular interface. Now, of course, if you log onto the interface, you're going to have a different look apart from this. I had to customize it this way and even put my name and direct over there goes to MM, right? So enough of that. Let's see how to use the main software, right? So if you log on to the software, you have the interface like this. This right here is a bar replay tool, the market bar replay tool. Now, currently, I'm on Volatility 10, all right? Volatility 10 index. Now, let's say I want to change the asset that I'm trading. I'm going to go to over here. If I expand, you're going to see a lot of things appearing over here. We have the watch list, we have all symbols over here. So if we come to all symbols, I want to look at Deriv indices. So I'm going to come to volatility over here. So the volatility, let's say I want to deal with volatility 10-1 index. I'm going to click it and it's going to load up over here. Once it loads up, I'm just going to collapse this bar so that I can have a look at all these things very well. This is volatility 10-1 as you can all see over here, right? So now let's go ahead and make use of this particular market bar replay tool over here, right? So all you have to do is to click on this bar replay tool. Let's say I'm on a 1 hour time frame, all right, and I want to retest maybe somewhere here. I'll just have to click on a market replay tool over here. Then this is going to appear. Once it appears, I'll just click over here. Then this sub menu will pop up. So once I'm satisfied with this, I'll just click on start, and this is going to load historical market data. That will allow me to do the backtesting. So you have to wait for it for some minutes. Once it is downloading, then you go ahead and do your backtesting with your specific strategy. Now, that's not all. I'm going to show you something interesting along the line. So let's go to the other part and I'll show you exactly that. All right, so once it load finish, this is what you're going to see. All right, this is a different platform that's open, right, using the historical data. Already it starts playing. I have to pause it quickly. Now let me just maximize the page so that you can see everything entirely like this. Now, if you look at this, let me bring the crosshair. If you look at this, you can see this is 20th of November, but as at the time I'm recording this video, we are in December. So this is basically a data in a past that the software has brought up for us to backtest. Now, what I want to show you as the interesting thing that you need to know is that you can do your analysis over here. This is the rectangle bar that you can use. Maybe you want to mark out something, you can just use this bar over here. If you want to draw a trend line or whatsoever, you can just use this tool right here and do your analysis. Then try to mark out things that you need to see for your strategy to play out. And yes, mark out those things. Then you go ahead and just play and observe what the market is going to give you, right? So as you already know, this is where you have your speed limit. You can increase it to whatever value that you want. Okay, if you increase it, the higher it is, the faster the bar moves. So let me just bring it to, let's say, 500 like this. You will see it will be moving a little bit slowly, right? So basically that is it, and I hope this actually helps you. You get to use this particular software to help you analyze the markets and make the best decision for yourself, right? So the link to the software is in the video description. Go ahead, hit on that link, get the software and utilize it to your advantage. I'll see you in the next video.